Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone Ghost Touch issue on iOS 17. Touch issue are not working or Ghost Touch is the same facing problem on any iPhone users. So then how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. When you have facing this problem, so you have first of all fix this solution. First solution, you have free up enough iOS storage space. So then you have open the setting, then you have click on general. So scroll up, then you have click on iPhone storage. So you have from uh, unused apps, so you have delete do not you have on your iPhone, so you have not used any apps, so you have delete from your iPhone. Then you have videos or photos, then you have delete on your iPhone, so then free up space on your iPhone, so then you have delete any app, video or photo from your iPhone. So then second solution, you have reset all setting. If iPhone screen is touching itself, so then you have uh, again open the setting, again click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset or setting. iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken enter a passcode, then you have 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then automatic reset our settings. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset our setting. Then third solution, you have force restart your iPhone. So then you have go back from here, so then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then for fourth solution, you have update the app. So then you have open the app store, so then you have update all app from here. So then you have click on app store id icon, so you have scroll up, then you have click on update all app, so then he is update all app on your iPhone. Then fifth solution, you have update the software. So then you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you have must be update iOS latest version. Then last solution, you have uh, clear the touch screen with a soft cloth. So then touch screen issue, then you have clean the soft cloth. Not many of you may believe the fact that the pile of dust is one of the most say, stimulus of the ghost touch problem on iOS. If it is been a while since you cleaned your beloved iPhone, I suspect the devil could be hidden in the dusty layer itself. You have used a soft and lint-free cloth to gently clean the touch screen. Once you have removed the dust, reboot then the smartphone and use it for a while to check if the ending ghost has gone and gone for good. So then you have fixed this issue and then 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.